Hey there, origami enthusiasts! Today, we're going to make something special, an origami lion. Origami is a unique art form that lets us create intricate shapes and designs using nothing but a simple piece of paper. And today, we're going to use this magical art to create a lion. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need a square piece of paper. Fold it in half and then in half again to create creases. Then, fold it diagonally to create more creases. This will help us shape our lion later on. Next, unfold the paper and fold it in half twice again, this time. Fold the top corners into the middle crease created earlier. Then, fold the bottom corners up towards the center crease. Now, your paper should look like a diamond shape with four creases along its edges. Now comes the fun part, creating the head and body of our lion. Start by folding the top points of the diamond down towards the center crease. And then up towards the top corners of the diamond shape. Do the same for the bottom points of the diamond, bringing them up towards the center crease. And then down towards the bottom corners of the diamond shape. Finally, give your lion some character by shaping its head. And body according to your preferences. And there you have it, your very own origami lion. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you like this tutorial and want to see more origami instructions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. And happy folding!